This is a WTC spot welder. Come up here. 480 volt. I believe it's single phase, if that makes any sense. See, it's got a WT01-C11B-W. Rated current load 400 amps AC, 20% duty cycle. It looks like, you know, pretty good shape. They took it, it looks like I thought they had pulled the wire, but actually the wire is all in here. Weld controller, you know, breaker. It's got a ABB contactor maybe. Wires all in it. Here's like some manuals and some papers, maybe wiring diagrams. This looks like the power for the cooler, which looks like they cut this. Maybe they were going to pull the cooler out of here. I don't know. It's got a Roman manufacturer 85 kVA transformer. Primary 440, single phase. And I took a picture of that. Comes with this WTC data entry panel, TB96. Took a picture of that too. This is probably the air control for the, you know, the when the welder comes together, the spot welding. Here's the front half, heavy copper, and then you can see there, maybe it's better to come around here. That's the business end of it. That's the unit. We did not power this up. I do not have 480 single phase here. I have 480 three phase, which maybe I took one phase out of that. I don't know. Too nervous to do it, so I'm not going to even try. But it came out of a shop. They were using it. If you got any questions or concerns, let me know. Thank you.